यार क्या तुम्हें पता है कि द कंटेजियस yawning दैट वी ऑल हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड वंस इन आवर लाइफटाइम्स, साइंटिस्ट का मानना है कि इट्स जस्ट एन आउटकम ऑफ एम्पैथी एंड कनेक्शन। तो होता ऐसा है कि हमारे ब्रेन में कुछ न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम मिरर न्यूरॉन्स कहते हैं, which basically helps us in learning, in feeling emotions, and also in yawning together. And it's very interesting to know that we are more likely to catch a yawn from our friends and family than strangers because we are more connected to them emotionally. Strange, but yet very interesting, right? So, if you learned something new today, do join this community of curious individuals by hitting that follow button. And I will see you all tomorrow with more such content. Till then, stay curious, keep learning, and peace out.